Jay Will back with another video. In today's video, I'm gonna do another direct link campaign to a product that I looked up at on ClickBank called Divine Locks. So right here, we're in ClickBank. You're gonna stroll down to Divine Locks, new high converting offer, about 89 bucks commission. Gonna hit promote, generate hop link. Gonna go grab your link. Is it out? Go to ClickMagick. I already have it in here somewhere. Divine Locks. You want to put it in here and paste it in here. After you paste that in, you want to save changes. Come over to Microsoft Ads, create new campaign. Visit to my website, search ads next. Name of campaign, Divine Locks. 100 bucks a day. Canada and United States. Gonna unclick this, on to the next step. Ad group. I'm just gonna put a DL for Divine Locks. I use my keyword tool. These are the keywords we're gonna use. You can pause the screen right here to grab these keywords. Gonna make sure they are phrase and exact match. Select all, copy, paste that in there. Save and go to the next step. Okay, you're gonna hit create ad. Divine Locks supplement. $90% off today only. Free shipping. This is how it should look. Gonna go to ClickMagick, gonna grab our tracking link. Here, copy that, swing on over to the track link template. Gonna put a slash, open query. Type in query string, close query. This is how it should look. Slash query string slash device. Gonna go to the top, type that in here. Gonna grab the actual link. Swing over, paste that into the mobile URL. Final URL, swing on over here. Gonna grab a description. Right here. Got this description. Put that in here. Grab another part, description. Just grab this in there. I put 90% today only before everything. That's how it should look. There goes the ad right here. You can freeze the screen on this and copy this whole ad and hit save. Stroll to the bottom, save and go to the next step. Gonna bid $5. Bam. Ad distribution, Bing at L apps. Ad is complete. I never promoted this product before. I don't know how it's gonna do, but I want to test it out. It lacks a little bit of traffic that's going through this product, so you guys can follow along and try to do it yourself. And meanwhile, like, subscribe, comment. You have any questions, just leave a comment below and I'll answer everything you guys ask. Have a good day.